Hi, Assalamualaikum, and very good evening to all of you, and happy fasting to all the Muslims. Today, I would like to explain a topic about evolutionary neural networks in order to complete my task from Dr. Suzaimah. So let's start with my slides. I will share it to you. I hope all of you can give me a like and subscribe. So let's start with the introduction. Before we go to the evolutionary neural network itself, I want to tell you a little bit about neural network. So, neural network is consist of 3 layers. In other words, neural network, we can call it as the brain, the artificial brain. It consists of 3 layers. There are input layers, hidden layers, and output layers. So basically, every layers is can do multiple functions. So let's go to the input layers. In the input layers, every node receive the input information from the ecosystem that we create, or from the condition that we create for our brain or for our organism. And after input layers receive the information, it will send those information to the hidden layers. Hidden layers, they perform a various type of mathematical computation on the input data to find out which pattern or to find out which solution is the best. And after they found it, after they create it in the hidden layer, they will send it to the network output or to the output layers. So the result can be obtained from here. And the process is go to 2 ways. Reversible. When the input layer receive the outputs, it will go to the feed forward, and if the result is not what the developer intended, it will go to back propagation and find out the best or the answer that requested from the developer. So that is a neural network's functions and how they work. So let's go to the algorithms. Why we need algorithms? First of all, why we need algorithms? Because to train our brain or to train our organism, train the neural networks, we need algorithms to tell them, to make them think, to make them move, or to make them survive our ecosystem or our problem. So, let's go to the fun parts. How to do the evolutionary algorithm. Evolutionary algorithm is consist of 5-step process to do it. First of all, we can create an initial population of organism. In our case, this will be a neural networks. So, in other words, we can call it, we create our own brain or our own intelligence. We create our own system. And after we create it, we put some criteria on it. Based on what problem we want to solve, based on what condition that we want it to. And will be a fitness score for our brains, or it will be the goals that we want our brain to do. And next, after we create the organism or the neural network, we take the best from it, and we make them mating. We make them produce with other intelligence, with other organism, and after we get the offspring, we mutate them, make them evolve. That's why we call it evolutionary algorithm. And after we get the new mutated offspring, we repeat the step 2 to make them evolve, to make them repeat the process, and to make them pass the goals or the fitness score that we wanted. This is the example of evolutionary neural network. Evolutionary neural networks consist of three basic parts. That is ecosystem, parents, and mutations. So I can show you. I will show you the example to make you more understand about it. So let's start from here. So this is where I said before, where to put the criteria on our layers, on our brain, on our organism, to make them survive the condition and to make them fulfill our fitness score. As we can see here, we can make them forward, backward, left, right, or put criteria to our organism: constant, hungriness, maturity. So if the organisms makes or does action other than this, so that is the intelligence that the organism create itself. So this is the organisms. First of all, there is nothing that they can do because they do not know what in front of them. They can censor it. After a few times of generations, we can find out what's happened to their surrounding. And as we can see in the videos, there are some differences in the organism. There is one that move with slow speed or born with some differences colors. We can see here, there is a differences in size, speed. That's all happened because they have mutates. Their offspring derive their intelligence and mutates their abilities to perform other difference from their parents. We as a developer, we only can control their ecosystem, but whatever the organism or the neural networks do, they do on themselves because they have a input and their hidden layers is where they're thinking, and what is the output is what is our neural network thinks the best that it should do at the time according to the situations. This is a simple coding. You can see here, everything happen to the organism is different because they have evolved their intelligence to survive in the ecosystems. So there is an example about ecosystem and parents. So a little bit of mutation. In the next video, we can tell you about how the system or the organism's intelligence increases. As you can see here, there's a fitness score, and the ecosystem is this bird, this tree. Our neural network, these birds. We can see the intelligence increase. For most of the organism can barely survive after the two first phase, but after several generations, they can obtain intelligence to survive by avoiding every obstacle. As you can see here, they have the intelligence, the ability to cope with the surroundings. So it's done there. So let's move to the last part. Application of neural networks. So in this video, I would like to emphasize the application of neural network in healthcare. There are many things that neural network can done. such as drug discovery and manufacturing, personalized medicine and treatment, smart health records, and predicting disease. In drug discovery and manufacturing, I would like to emphasize in our current situation now in pandemic COVID-19. If we put the data of every patient and we collect the output for every vaccines, we create a system or we create a neural networks and make them evolve to create the best solution or to create the best medicine for the COVID-19 patients for several generation or after several times of experiment. For sure, they will met or they will found the cure for the COVID-19. For this field, what neural network can help is they can reduce the cost of labor, the cost of experiment, and the cost of time. But for sure, the neural network itself needs sometimes to create the best intelligence. But we can cut the cost, we can make effort more efficient by reduce the cost of the labor because we just need the supercomputer. But for your information, the supercomputer itself is already what you call, because supercomputer is hard to obtain and expensive. So I hope we can meet in another video to tell about the benefits of neural networks. Okay, Assalamualaikum, and I hope you enjoy the explanation.